Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a boat. First, you'll need a square paper. Either you can use these two to cut the paper into a square and a bowl of water to make it float. Okay, so first you fold the paper in half. And then the half turns into a square like this, as you see. Then you take out one of this and fold it in the back here. Then take all of these in the back, as you see. Then you open the ledge, open the middle, like this. Then you close it like a diamond. Then you see these. You open those two and you fold it into this, like this, and your paper boat's done. And I'm going to show you this, like that. Okay. Hope you like it.